so I'm back with another video. This is gonna be a quick video. All my videos are pretty fast. I just get straight to the point. I don't got time to wait around. So I bought this wig off of Shein. I just got off work. I just got home. It's like 10 o'clock at night, and I decided to show you guys it while I'm still up and ready. I waxed my eyebrows. If you guys see in my other videos, they're usually pretty thick. I'm not mad at these thin little eyebrows. They actually look kind of cute. So my hair's not braided down very well because I just did it really quickly because I just got home. And I'm about to show you this wig that I got. So this is the second wig that I've ordered off of Shein. The first one was really good. This one, it does smell. When it came out the package, it smells like corn chips, like Frito dust. So it doesn't smell very good. Haven't washed it. Literally just took it out the box. Yeah, I found the box. I lost it for a second. But this is what it came in. And on the package it says 200% density, 13x4, 22-inch, 100% human hair. So right off the bat, when I took this out, I knew this was not 200% density. I have wigs that are 150% that it says on the package, or 180%, and it feels like this. This is not 200% density. I know that for sure. The wig also, it feels like a mix between synthetic and human, even though it says it's 100% human hair. But when I lay it next to my human hair wigs, it doesn't feel as human hair as the other wigs. So I don't know if it's just a mix, or maybe it's like a chemical that they use to get the curl pattern. I don't know, but it doesn't feel very synthetic compared to synthetic wigs, but it doesn't feel very human. It's like in between. So I went ahead and cut off the lace because I always cut it off my head. And I'm gonna throw it on. I have my Got2b glue and my Ebin. I like the yellow one. I've tried the black and the red, and I just always like the yellow one more. And I've always liked this to lay my wigs down. It works for me. It stays on. Never had a problem with it, and it comes out, like, washing it out is not like a hassle. So I'm gonna throw this on. Hopefully it's big head friendly. Okay, now that it's on, so again, my braids are kind of sticking out here because it's not cornrowed down. It's just kind of like braided and then pulled back into like a bun. So it's not the best foundation, but this foundation usually still works fine whenever I'm laying wigs. It's not that big a deal, especially curly wigs. So far, I would say that it is big head friendly. It's not like super loose on my head, but it fits good. It comes all the way down to like the top of my ears. So that's good. I always have such a struggle finding wigs that fits my big head, okay? My head is big. They make these itty bitty little wigs that don't fit my head. And there's been many times I've ordered wigs from somewhere and the wig cap is way too small. Even though the hair is cute, I just can't do it. I can't walk around with a headache. I send it right back. So that's one thing about Shein that I do like, is a lot of times their wigs do cater a little bit more to like medium to big instead of like medium to small. So I went ahead and put on the Got2b glue. I'm going to spray it a little bit with this spray, and then I will lay it down. This is pretty much all I do for my wigs. I just put on the Got2b glue, and then I just spray on top and then pull it down a little bit. So based off the wig now that it's kind of glued down, I did cut off a little bit on this side because it was kind of covering my ear a bit, so I did kind of have to cut a hole on this side, but not on this side. The hairline, as you can see, I didn't like tint the lace or anything, so the lace is a little bit lighter than my skin, and you definitely could pluck the hairline. You definitely could pluck the part. The knots are not in okay. They're doing what they do best. They're definitely showing themselves. So you could bleach the knots if you wanted to as well. I am not going to because, again, I just got it home and it's pretty late already. But I am going to try and flatten this out a bit and kind of make it look a little more cute. I'm not gonna lie, this hair is extremely soft. I know I said that it feels like it's like in a weird mix between human and synthetic. Like, I don't know what it is. It just feels like a tiny bit different, but it is extremely soft. So I do like that. Like, I'm really not mad at this wig. Now that I got it on, I'm not hating it. So I'm not going to do like a whole lot. I just want to kind of keep it simple. I was thinking of cutting it and turning it into kind of like a fro and kind of fluffing it up. But I do like it like this. If my one braid underneath wasn't so bulky right here, it would look a lot flatter. Honestly, guys, I think this is all I'm going to do to it. I know a lot of the times people, even I do, like to like spray it, add some mousse, kind of define the curls a bit better. But I think this looks good, kind of like how it is, just straight out the pack, like a little poofy. It is so soft. I'm not even joking. It's very soft. And again, like, I'm gonna fix my braids better when I wear this out underneath, so my foundation is a lot flatter. But even just wearing it like this, all I did was tuck it behind my ear. And this is cute. Okay? Look at this. Ooh, here's the back. Well, I'm not even going to add foundation to the part yet. I'll probably, when I do this tomorrow or the next day, because I do work in the morning, maybe the next day when I have time to kind of like fiddle around with the lace and really lay it flat, have everything nice and flat, I'll add that clip in at the end. I just want to really show you guys straight out the pack as soon as I got it, just now out the pack, what it looks like. And I'm not mad at it. Again, I do not think that this is 200% density. I do think that the fluffiness of it helps it look fuller, but just feeling it, this feels like it could be just 800 or 180% density, not 200. I have a 200% density wig, and when I kind of like felt it, it definitely didn't feel as like much thickness as it. It just has the fluff that gives it the 200% look, if that makes any sense. But overall, I honestly, I really like this wig. I don't know what it is. I don't know what's going on with Shein, but I'm be finding some good wigs on there. Okay, this is my second wig that I've bought off Shein, so I'm not gonna get ahead of myself and say that every wig on there is good. But 2 for 2, we're not doing too bad. It's given. Okay, let me lay this flat down, or lay this. I don't know how I just messed that up. You could tell it's nighttime and I just got off work. Let me lay this flatter underneath and really work the part. Maybe pluck some edges, you know, maybe define it just a little bit more. But this is a cute wig. This is really cute. This is definitely a wig that I would wear regularly out and about. I really like this a lot. I also think that the kind of poofy-ish hair is definitely getting to me. I know in one of my past videos, I made a review on this synthetic kinky straight hair, and I was like, I can't stand the poof, it's too much. But lately, as I've been like wearing my hair out more, you know, wearing poofier styles and stuff like that, it definitely is. I'm starting to love it more, and I'm starting to really like this more. Before it was very, it needs to be flat and like as flat as possible and like straight, but like I'm really liking this poofiness. It's giving Beyonce, it's giving, you know, cute little diva. I really like this a lot, so I definitely give this like 9 out of 10. So I won't give it a perfect 10 because again, the texture a little bit, and because the density, I don't think it's 200%. Love the color. I'm happy that this color matches me well. My natural hair color is kind of like this color. Like my eyebrows are brown, you know. So when I get black wigs or like natural colored 1B, I always have to dye it, and that's so annoying because I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know what I'm doing. I just dip it in the dye. Just a wish for the best. Sometimes I mess up the knots. So I'm happy that this is such a pretty color, and like it matches my eyebrows pretty well, matches me well. I mean, just everything about this wig I do like. I just don't give it a 10 because the density and kind of the feel, it is soft, but like I don't know if it's 100% human. Whatever it is, it feels soft. So I will put the link in the bio to the wig that I got. And I will try to add in at the end of this video like some more clips or like some more video of it being like a little bit more styled, I guess. I don't know. I think it looks fine like this. Maybe in person you could definitely see the knots more, but on camera it looks good. Even in the mirror it looks good, but in the sunlight, you know, you might want to like fix it up just a tiny bit, just a little bit more. But overall, I think this is a great wig, so I definitely think you guys should try it out. Give Shein a try. They's killing the game. They're doing really good with their wigs. I'm really surprised. So, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, let me know. Let me know if you got the wig, how you like it, if it fits you, if you think the density is great, yada yada, everything. So, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hi guys, so I'm back. Like I said, I would add a clip at the end of this video. So, I have not worn this wig since, and it's Tuesday, so I filmed this on Sunday. Today's Tuesday, haven't worn it again. So the wig has not been manipulated a lot still. So what I did was I made my foundation a lot flatter, like I said I was going to try to do. I did not pluck the knots, but I did add some foundation on the inside of the lace to make it more my skin color, because as you saw, it was pretty light. And then I did lay it down like I would usually do if I'm going out. I'm going to show you guys, let me do my makeup real quick, and I'll show you guys more of how it looks when it's like pretty neat and I took my time to do it. So, give me a second. Okay, so the wig is done. Well, at least the lace part is. Did add some more wax to it to really flatten it out some more. But like I said, this wig is definitely big head friendly. It fits perfectly. It's not too tight on my head. So again, I'm not going to do too much to it. I will add just a tiny bit of mousse to help the front out a little more curled, because I did take a comb when I was flattening this. So that's pretty much all I'm going to do to it, and then I'm just going to leave it like this because this is how I like it and I think it looks really good. So this is it. I did not add baby hairs. I do think that this is a wig. I do think that this is a wig that you don't have to add any baby hairs to. I really like wearing it like this, just pulling it back and then leaving these two sides out. I did add a tiny bit of this to it, not a lot. I just wanted to help the front out because I still wanted it to kind of be a bit full. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I got. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys do get the wig, I will put the link down in the bio so you guys can purchase it yourselves. Let me know if you do like it. Give it a like, a thumbs up if you do. Comment below your feelings about the wig if you do get it yourself. Let me know how you think it looks. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.